This video will help you install the VNS2610 wireless PA speaker. Before beginning your installation, please make sure to have the following items nearby: a marker, screwdrivers, electric drill, ribbed plastic anchors, screws, and level. First, let's get familiar with the VNS2610 speaker. On the back of the unit, there is a compartment that provides access to the unit DC power input, USB port for programming, and a power backup battery if the option was purchased. The VNS2610 can be powered using its power adapter, external DC power of 10 to 20 volts, or 12-volt PoE adapter. The VNS2610 is designed to be installed on a wall under the ceiling line, but can also be simply shelf-mounted where a fixed wall installation is not required or permitted. When selecting a location to install the VNS2610, make sure there is a nearby AC power outlet. If needed, the power extension cable that comes with the unit will provide up to 10 feet of additional distance from an AC outlet. Verify that the selected installation area is clear of any electrical and HVAC lines. If an AC power outlet is not available, an alternate power option is to use a PoE solution to provide the power to the VNS2610 equipped with that option. Place the VNS2610 wall mounting bracket 10 to 12 inches from the ceiling line. Hold a level under the bracket to make sure it is straight and mark the location of the two mounting holes inside the bracket eyelets. Using the electric drill, drill the marked mounting holes and insert the ribbed plastic anchors. Insert 2 screws into the anchors and screw them in until their screw heads are about 1/4 inch from the wall. Place the mounting bracket on the 2 screws and tighten the screws into the wall to secure the bracket. Open the VNS2610 back panel and insert the power adapter connector into the DC jack. Close the back cover, leaving enough cable length as will be needed to plug the power adapter into the AC outlet. Secure the VNS2610 to the mounting bracket on the wall using the including mounting bolts. Tilt the speaker downwards a little for optimized sound coverage. Plug the VNS2610 power adapter into the AC outlet. The installation is done and the VNS2610 is now ready to be tested.